Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to change outfit in a selfie with Nano Banana. Now, what I need you to do, okay, is be very specific with this. That is the trick. So you come to Gemini, okay, click here on Tools, toggle this one, Create Images. Make sure you're on 2.5 Flash as the model, and then you go and just drag and drop your image. So I have this selfie right here. I'll go ahead and drag and drop it. And I'll show you some example prompts I'll leave in the description as well. So be very specific, okay? I have different iterations that you can go ahead and use, and you can see the key focus. So we're asking them to change our outfit to something very specific. Sharp fitted navy blue business blazer. As you can see, maintain facial features, hairstyle. We're telling it what to maintain, and the background as well, exactly as they are. Clothing, make sure it looks natural and unwrinkled. So let's go ahead and try it out. We will go ahead and paste it in. Now we just hit submit and we wait. Of course, all of these will be in the description for you to copy and paste and change and use. Okay, here we go. Perfect. As you can see, the background is exactly as it is. Everything else is the same. The pose, everything. Just the outfit was changed. And that is how to change outfit in a selfie with Nano Banana.